High above the battlefield, unseen and unstoppable, Israel's drones watch every move. From intelligence to precision strikes, these silent hunters change modern warfare. Eyes in the sky, fire on the ground, this is drone dominance. Alright, let's start. Number 10. BirdEye 650D. The BirdEye 650D is a compact tactical UAV developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI. Designed for frontline surveillance and reconnaissance, it aims to provide real-time intelligence to small ground units. The drone is lightweight, portable, and intended for rapid deployment. Development focused on creating a reliable, long-endurance platform suitable for tactical operations in both urban and remote environments. Technical specifications. BirdEye 650D is optimized for tactical ISR missions with endurance of 6 to 8 hours. Its compact design allows quick launch and recovery. The drone carries electro-optical, EO, and infrared, IR, sensors for high-resolution day-night monitoring. Its lightweight build ensures easy portability, and it operates through a secure ground control station. Role and missions. Primary role is intelligence gathering and reconnaissance. It supports border patrol, tactical unit operations, and surveillance of sensitive areas. Real-time imagery enhances situational awareness and allows rapid operational decision-making. Its portability makes it suitable for small teams and quick response missions. Technology and features. BirdEye 650D integrates autonomous waypoint navigation and secure communication links. Its OIR sensors support day, night, and all-weather monitoring. Modular payload bays allow mission-specific customization, and encrypted data transmission ensures operational security. Operational use and global impact. Extensively used by the IDF, BirdEye 650D provides tactical ISR to ground units. Its lightweight design and combat-tested reliability have attracted international interest. The platform represents a modern solution for portable, frontline UAV surveillance missions. Number 9. SkyStriker. SkyStriker is an autonomous loitering munition developed by Elbit Systems. Its primary purpose is precision strike operations with minimal risk to personnel. The system combines real-time reconnaissance with targeted engagement, providing an efficient and flexible strike platform. Development emphasized autonomous navigation, secure targeting, and adaptability for covert operations. Technical specifications. SkyStriker is lightweight and designed for long-range loitering strike missions. It carries a small, precise explosive payload, capable of neutralizing high-value targets. Autonomous and operator-assisted flight modes are available, with a focus on endurance and stealth. Sensors include OIR imaging and GPS guidance systems for accurate target identification. Role and missions. The drone's primary role is precision strikes against high-value targets. Integrated surveillance allows the UAV to loiter over target areas before engagement. SkyStriker is deployed for tactical missions where minimal human exposure and covert strike capabilities are critical. Technology and features. SkyStriker features autonomous navigation, eye-assisted targeting, and secure encrypted communications. OIR sensors provide precise imagery for target acquisition. Its modular design allows payload adaptation, while autonomous loitering ensures efficient target engagement with minimal human intervention. Operational use and global impact. The IDF has deployed SkyStriker in operational scenarios requiring precise, autonomous strikes. Its technology showcases the growing importance of loitering munitions in modern warfare. Internationally, it demonstrates Israel's leadership in combining UAV intelligence and strike capabilities. Number 8. Spark. Nitsots. Spark, also known as Nitsots, is a tactical UAV developed by Aeronautics Group and Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. Designed for frontline reconnaissance, it provides small units with real-time battlefield intelligence. Development was highly secretive, with focus on portability, rapid deployment, and advanced tactical ISR capabilities. Technical specifications. Spark is a compact and lightweight UAV optimized for tactical missions. It carries high-performance OIR sensors and modular payloads for mission-specific tasks. Endurance and range are suitable for short to medium tactical operations. The UAV supports autonomous flight and operator-assisted modes, ensuring operational flexibility. Role and missions. Primary role is frontline intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR. It provides real-time situational awareness to small units, assists in target identification, and enhances coordination during tactical operations. Its rapid deployment capability makes it ideal for dynamic combat scenarios. Technology and features. Spark integrates autonomous navigation, secure data links, and high-resolution OIR imaging. Modular payload bays allow mission-specific equipment, while lightweight design ensures portability. Encrypted communication ensures secure intelligence relay from battlefield to command units. Operational use and global impact. Adopted by the IDF for tactical reconnaissance, Spark is considered a strategic asset for small unit operations. Its secretive development emphasizes Israel's focus on advanced UAV technologies. While export is limited, its battlefield effectiveness demonstrates the UAV's modern tactical relevance. Number 7. Orbiter 4. Orbiter 4 is a compact tactical UAV developed by Aeronautics Group. Designed for both land and maritime intelligence missions, it provides real-time surveillance to small military units. Its development focused on creating a lightweight, reliable, and highly maneuverable UAV suitable for rapid deployment in a variety of operational environments. Technical specifications. Orbiter 4 is lightweight and portable, optimized for short to medium-range tactical ISR missions. Its payload includes OIR cameras and optional modular sensors. The UAV is capable of autonomous and operator-assisted flight, allowing flexible deployment. Endurance and range are sufficient for tactical operations, and compact design enables quick launch and recovery. Role and missions. Primary role is intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. It can operate over land or maritime environments, supporting tactical units with real-time situational awareness. Orbiter 4 is deployed for frontline operations, border monitoring, and rapid response reconnaissance missions. Technology and features. Orbiter 4 features autonomous navigation, secure communication links, and encrypted data transmission. OIR sensors provide day, night, and all-weather monitoring. Modular payloads allow mission-specific customization, while the UAV's compact design ensures operational flexibility. Operational use and global impact. Orbiter 4 is used by the IDF for tactical intelligence missions. Its portability and reliability have attracted international interest. The UAV is considered a modern solution for rapid deployment, tactical surveillance, and battlefield situational awareness. Number 6. Skylark 3 Hybrid. Skylark 3 Hybrid is a tactical mini UAV developed by Elbit Systems. Designed for brigade and division-level intelligence, it offers small units real-time reconnaissance support. Its hybrid engine provides extended endurance, while portability and rapid deployment were key priorities in its development. Technical specifications. Skylark 3 Hybrid features a hybrid propulsion system enabling 6 to 8 hours of continuous flight. It carries OIR sensors and optional payloads for mission-specific needs. The UAV supports autonomous navigation and operator-assisted control. Lightweight design allows quick launch and recovery by small teams. Role and missions. Primary role is frontline intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR. It supports brigade and division-level operations, providing real-time imagery for tactical decision-making. Its portability allows deployment in remote or contested areas. Technology and features. Autonomous navigation, secure data links, and AI-assisted imaging are core features. OIR sensors provide day, night, and all-weather capabilities. Modular payloads allow mission flexibility, and lightweight design ensures rapid deployment and minimal logistical footprint. Operational use and global impact. Used extensively by the IDF for tactical reconnaissance, Skylark 3 Hybrid demonstrates Israel's focus on small unit UAV operations. Its portability and endurance have attracted international attention, making it a reliable solution for modern tactical intelligence. Number 5. Harop. Harop is a loitering munition UAV developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI. Designed to detect and neutralize high-value targets autonomously, it combines reconnaissance and precision strike capabilities. Development emphasized operational flexibility, precision targeting, and minimal operator exposure. Technical specifications. Harop is lightweight and capable of long-endurance loitering over target areas. It carries OIR sensors for detection and a small explosive payload for precise strikes. Autonomous flight modes allow it to navigate and engage targets with minimal human intervention. Role and missions. Primary mission is striking high-value targets, especially radar systems or key enemy assets. Its loitering capability allows surveillance of targets before engagement. Covert deployment and minimal human risk make it ideal for tactical strike operations. Technology and features. Harop integrates autonomous navigation, GPS guidance, and OIR imaging for precise targeting. AI-assisted strike optimization enhances mission effectiveness. Encrypted communication ensures secure operation in contested environments. Operational use and global impact. The IDF has deployed Harop in operational scenarios requiring precise, autonomous strikes. Its design demonstrates the growing importance of loitering munitions in modern warfare, combining surveillance and strike in a single platform. Number 4. Hermes 450. Hermes 450 is a tactical UAV developed by Elbit Systems and forms the backbone of the Israeli Air Force's drone fleet. It was designed for reliability, long-endurance reconnaissance, and battlefield intelligence. Its development emphasized operational stability, modular payloads, and combat-tested performance. Technical specifications. Hermes 450 operates at medium altitudes with up to 20 hours of endurance. It carries IR sensors and optional modular payloads. Flight control includes autonomous navigation and operator-assisted modes, optimized for tactical ISR missions. Role and missions. The primary role is intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR. Hermes 450 supports border monitoring, tactical unit operations, and situational awareness. Real-time video feeds allow ground forces to make informed operational decisions. Technology and features. The UAV integrates secure data links, IR sensors for day, night monitoring, and modular payload bays for mission flexibility. Autonomous navigation reduces operator workload while ensuring stability and precise control. Operational use and global impact. Hermes 450 is extensively used by the IDF and exported worldwide. Its reliability and tactical versatility make it a key component of modern UAV operations, providing frontline situational awareness and intelligence support. Number 3. Heron TP. Heron TP, also known as Aten, is a strategic male UAV developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI. Designed for long-range, high-altitude missions, it carries heavy payloads for intelligence collection and optional precision strikes. Its development focused on endurance, modular payloads, and strategic ISR capabilities. Technical specifications. Heron TP has over 30 hours of endurance and can operate at high altitudes. Payloads include IR cameras, radar modules, and communication relays. Flight control supports autonomous navigation with operator-assisted options. Heavy modular payloads enable versatility for diverse missions. Role and missions. Primary missions include strategic ISR, border surveillance, and optional strike operations. Its long-range capabilities allow deep reconnaissance and enhanced situational awareness for command units. The UAV provides real-time intelligence to support both tactical and strategic planning. Technology and features. Heron TP integrates autonomous navigation, eye-assisted imaging, and encrypted communication. IR sensors enable day, night monitoring, while modular payload bays allow mission-specific customization. Advanced avionics ensure stability, precision, and extended operational range. Operational use and global impact. The IDF uses Heron TP for strategic missions. Combat-proven and exportable, it demonstrates Israel's leadership in high-end unmanned aviation. Its strategic ISR and payload versatility make it a benchmark for modern male UAV operations. Number 2. Hermes 900. Hermes 900 is a medium-altitude, long-endurance, MALE, UAV developed by Elbit Systems. Designed for the IDF, it focuses on long-duration reconnaissance, intelligence gathering, and optional precision strike missions. Its development emphasized modularity, endurance, and adaptability, evolving through continuous upgrades based on operational feedback and combat requirements. Technical specifications. Hermes 900 can fly for over 30 hours at high altitude. Its payload is modular, including electro-optical, infrared, radar, and communication relay systems. Flight modes include autonomous and operator-assisted control. Advanced aerodynamics and fuel-efficient engines maximize range and stability for extended missions. Role and missions. Primary role is ISR, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, supporting tactical and strategic operations such as border security and battlefield monitoring. Multi-role flexibility allows both intelligence gathering and precision strike support. Real-time imagery enhances situational awareness and operational planning. Technology and features. Equipped with autonomous flight control, eye-assisted imaging, and secure encrypted data links. Modular payload bays allow mission-specific customization. IR sensors enable day, night, and all-weather operations, while satellite communication ensures beyond line-of-sight capabilities. Operational use and global impact. Hermes 900 is widely used by the IDF and exported internationally. Its combat-proven reliability and multi-role capability make it a benchmark for modern male UAVs, providing operational flexibility and intelligence support in modern warfare scenarios. Number 1. Cormorant. Cormorant is an autonomous VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, UAV developed by Urban Aeronautics. It is designed for urban tactical operations, logistics support, and casualty evacuation in areas inaccessible to conventional aircraft. Development focused on maneuverability, autonomous navigation, and payload versatility. Technical specifications. Cormorant features a compact, lightweight VTOL design capable of autonomous or operator-assisted flight. Its payload bays can carry tactical cargo, medical evacuation supplies, or specialized mission equipment. Endurance and range are mission dependent, with a focus on operational efficiency in confined or urban areas. Role and missions. Primary missions include urban logistics, casualty evacuation, and tactical supply operations. Cormorant is suitable for disaster response and battlefield scenarios where conventional helicopters are impractical. It supports rapid deployment for small units or emergency response teams. Technology and features. Autonomous navigation, redundant control systems, and secure encrypted communications are core features. VTOL capability allows safe operation in urban and complex terrains. Modular payload bays and integrated sensors provide operational flexibility and situational awareness for autonomous missions. Operational use and global impact. Currently, Cormorant is experimental with limited operational deployment. However, it has attracted international attention for urban logistics, casualty evacuation, and tactical support potential. The UAV represents a significant step forward in autonomous aerial support for modern urban and battlefield operations. Thanks for watching. Were these drones as fascinating to you as they were to us? If you enjoyed learning about Israel's cutting-edge UAVs, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.